no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. She's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away. Oh, wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gone to stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. She's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away. And I know, 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 I know. Hey, you gotta leave the young thing alone, 'cause ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. She's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away. Yeah.
Good performance. The song actually suits your voice. I was trying to look for mistake. I didn't find any, but emphasize more on audibility, okay?
2 weeks in a row, singing very, very well.
You arguably have the best X Factor, you know. The straight stage presence, the appeal yagago is so amazing. But you need to carry that with the singing as well, man.